See, not your blast.
I hope so. You feel it? Okay, I'll be right back.
Huh? Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. Hey, Malia. This is really like, oh, what? Damn. Sorry. Real straw floors, huh? The grudge up in here. Hi. Oh, that's fine. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Is these parkings?
Uh-huh. And look it. It's toys right there.
Is that an elephant?
Uh-huh. Right.
What?
It's right.
You want to slide down it, huh?
Uh-huh.
I wouldn't mind.
It's up there too.
行きましょう.
Hey.
It's for horses. Nani?
I got dibs on this bed.
Ow, that's...
I don't want to sleep by the door.
So I'm the first one to get killed by the grudge lady?
Yeah. Do you know what those girls are doing?
Sadako. Kayako. Kayako. This looks like a big sink. No. Oh shit, that scared me. It's the beginning.
Oh, there's... Hey guys. No.
You did what?
That's
It's really cute though.
appropriate
Oh my God.
right here.
The living?
Nah. It's a little congested.
I hate you, Mom. Walk right here.
Specific.
There, the bike.
Oh no. No, I don't even know what that. Morning.
They got in the plastic bag.
It's cool.
But it's so.
It's not creepy at all what I'm doing.
Marshall.
Bathroom is tight. Gotcha. This is my favorite room. Shower room. The whole room is a shower. Pretty tight. A little big tub sink with a window open. Hey. Shoes, you take those off. In an Asian household, they give you some slippers, but I guess I'm not using them right now. Oh well. Like a Japanese Four Loko. This is good. I like that. I haven't tried that one yet. I think I'm gonna. fifth floor. They all about recycling. Pretty cool. Burnables right there.
Video. Damn. Yes. That's tight.
Doors moving around. This can't be no
The real
suicide.
Japanese way.
Move it. Move.
This is really quaint. Dang. Watch your head. This is tight. You got your pots and pans and all that. Huh?
This is scary.
We're closing that. Holy smokes. Oh, we have a,
I opened it.
we have this right here.
Dude, how do you turn this on?
Why is this in the way?
Is this for the air?
That's like nice out here.
There's no light in here?
Maybe it has to warm up. This thing is pretty cool.
Oh no, it's like this.
Oh, here we go. Heck yeah.
I did that.
Oh, you got air in there?
We
Yeah.
don't know though, because we're trying to see if it open. For this, right? Work? Okay, so just... She said just press the air button.
Oh, okay, I
Power
did.
button.
And it just blows it, and it's, man, this is the future.
But look, it closes.
This is
You
like
scared
the,
me.
Sorry.
Is this the power button, the green one?
Yeah, try. Yeah, this is good. I'm gonna step on your.
No, you're fine.
Oh, did you guys open all this?
Girl, yes. It's warm in here.
now let me finish my kitchen experience. Oh, for your recyclables, and for your regular rubbish, non-burnable. Ooh.
Are you gonna get it?
That would have been rude. Burnables. Okay. Ooh, so good. I don't know. Is somebody in the bathroom? The future is now. About to get my booty hole wet. Got the Japanese Febreze. Yes. Fifth flow.
Here's a book.
I got the AC there. Who knows? That's pretty cool.
Well, if they open at night, if you're trying to get there.
That's a big drop. Not gonna mess with it. Not today. Yeah, but just drink some of this bitch. Yeah. Let's try this out.
You petty.
Oh, that's pretty good. Do not leave the door open. Thanks. I feel like this will be locked.
It says don't open now.
No,
If anything, we can just wait till they come together. Hey, look at that.
This is actually pretty cool.
I just wanted to come up and see it. Is that open too? Can you go up there? I feel like you wouldn't.
I don't even want to risk it. Damn. Well, that ladder's there if you want to take that.
No, these stairs are steep. I just wanted to see it. Oh, it's recording.